This one has also been on my wish list for a really long time. Oh, it's really beautiful. And what I got is, let's dive into another 5-Minute Friday. This one is gonna be pretty quick. I've got 2 unboxings to share with you, and I'm really excited about both. Let's go ahead and open her up. I really love these boxes. These are so, so cute. So if you're at all familiar with ordering from Louis Vuitton, so the SACA that I typically work with, unfortunately, he left the company. So I have to start from scratch with a new person. So I just decided to go ahead and order these online instead of buying them in store. I do kind of wish I would have just went to the store and got them, but I didn't. But here is how they package them when you order them online. I have purchased other perfumes in store and they did not come packaged like this. So I do kind of think I prefer the packaging for online when it comes to the perfumes, but either way, I mean, at the end of the day, you still get it. So I don't know if you can see the name here. I ended up getting, and I'm totally gonna butcher the name, HANDBAG. I have had this on my wish list for a little while. If you're looking for something kind of sweet and floral, I feel like this is a really, really beautiful scent. I've gone through several samples of this. So obviously I already know I like this. This wasn't a blind buy. And in general, I just don't feel like Louis Vuitton perfumes are a safe blind buy. I will be honest, I don't love most of them. There are a few that I really, really like, and these 2 I had on my wish list. I've already sprayed this a couple times, so this is not an official unboxing. And I got the smaller bottles this time. I actually decided I wanted to go and get this size bottles for the Louis Vuitton just because you can refill them. And these are much more travel friendly and just not so big and bulky in your hand. And I actually do recommend keeping these cylinder boxes, which I haven't kept for my previous Louis Vuitton perfumes, because you can use this for travel if you need to. So I'm gonna keep at least one of these just for travel. But I got the HANDBAG. Oh, it's really beautiful. It's a floral, but it's sweet, and it lasts a really, really long time. We'll go through the samples that I got at the very end. So let me pull these out. I did get 2 samples in each. And then here is the other one that I got. This one has also been on my wish list for a really long time. I've talked about it. It is such a beautiful, beautiful, another floral. And what I got is Spell on You. Again, I've had multiple samples of this one. I will be honest, I absolutely love the scent of this. I think it is such a beautiful floral scent. It doesn't last a very long time. I will be honest. This is one of those perfumes that you are gonna have to spray multiple times to get any longevity. I would say 2 to 3 hours, maybe 4 hours max, depending on how you apply it. But it is a very beautiful, a good everyday kind of clean floral. Really, really clean, but it's still a floral, whereas this one's more of like a sweet floral. So very, very different in my opinion. And again, I got the smaller bottle. You can refill your Louis Vuitton bottles, which is nice. I kind of wish that I had bought, what's the other one that I have that's in a large size? Les Sables Roses. I have that in the big size, and I wish I would have just bought the smaller one just because it's refillable. Sample wise, they were out of one of the ones that I requested, so I got an HANDBAG. I'll use that for travel. I got the Roses de Vence, City of Stars, and Le Jour c'est la vie. Again, totally butchering this. I do not know how to speak French, but I'm excited to try all of these. I actually requested these in the samples, which is nice because I've heard really good things about all of these. So I will keep you guys posted on that. There you have it. My 2 new bottles of perfume. Let me know down in the comments if you would like for me to share my top 3 Louis Vuitton perfumes. And I feel like that would be a really good 5-Minute Friday as well. I just feel like these are going to be a favorite of mine. I do want to wear them a little bit more and kind of play around with the application, especially with this one, the Spell on You, to see if I can get some more longevity from it, because I do know that in the samples that I've used, they haven't lasted all day, whereas this one has lasted all day. So there you have it. 2 new perfumes to add to my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.